How to log into email account in cPanel. So let's get started with the video tutorial. The login URL for your email account in cPanel, you can use either of the two URL options. First method, type your full domain name /webmail and hit enter in the browser. For example, yourdomain.com/webmail. Second method, type your domain name :2096 and press enter. For example, yourdomain.com:2096. Both of these will take you to the email login page. Once the login page opens, enter your full email address in the first field. Now enter your email account password in the second field. Then click the login button. You will now be taken to your email dashboard, where you can compose new emails and send, read emails you have received, reply to messages, and manage your inbox. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel